Welcome back to the cooking show out of the loose wrist.
My name is Denis. Her name is Minx. And what have you brewed for us?
I brewed...
I don't know, but this is like my cooking show voice. I hope people like it. I've grown accustomed to it.
I like it.
Really?
Let's cheers to health
Good.
and wealth.
To health, wealth, and stealth. It's very hot. It's like a proper tea.
Hot.
Proper tea. You see what I'm doing there? Proper tea.
So,
Proper tea.
ginger.
This is
Yes.
a great property. Is this a proper tea? Oh, look at the color of the tea.
Oh my god, this is art.
So cool.
We have a show to run, and today we are going to make pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup, that's a classic.
I know.
My mom makes pumpkin soup. I'll see if you make a better pumpkin soup than she does.
I bet I won't, but it's gonna be pumpkin soup.
I think you can.
Well, I think I can. One
Yes.
man can manifest anything. I'm manifesting for this show that my pumpkin soup is gonna be better than your mama's pumpkin soup.
I'm gonna call my mama right now.
Who said I wanted more?
I'm gonna call my mama right now.
No, keep her out of this.
Алло?
Алло, мамочка.
Да.
Здрасте. Есть спрашивала. Кто-то тут говорит, что она может знать, как делать pumpkin soup. Лучше, чем ты. Minx. Wacht, ik doe even in English. I have somebody here. I'm at a cooking show, and I was telling her that because she was gonna cook pumpkin soup, I said, my mama makes the best pumpkin soup. And then she said, I can make better pumpkin soup than your mother. And I said, now I'm gonna call my mother.
Nobody can make better than your mother. But anyway.
That's exactly what I thought. She can try. Okay, mama.
Okay.
Пока.
Okay, bye-bye. See you.
So we need pumpkin. We got a few little shallots here. I also use pumpkin seeds. If we want to keep it fully alkaline, do not use the seeds. I'm just using them for garnish.
Garnish.
For garnish. Some dates, fresh parsley. What about the thyme?
About the time.
The thyme.
It's about
Do
time.
you remember the time? We are also going to use some fresh ginger. We need some onion. I also like to put some lime in it. I also like to put in some tomatoes.
Can you do it with 3?
Oh, yeah, you can do it. I can.
I cannot.
Oh, I can try.
Pass the lemon on the left hand side. That's exactly the way I do it. That's 1.
Ooh! Dennis doing it! Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
No coconuts for you? Oh, you don't know? What about you, bro? Yeah, why not?
Coconut. We're adding
Yeah, we're
coconut,
adding
and this
coconut.
one is from and it has no flavoring, no preservatives, no coloring, and no modified starch. Do you wanna cut the onions?
Yeah, of course.
Just make little bits.
And how do you want me to cut this?
However you like it.
Okay, but
Small as possible.
small as possible.
Yes.
How have your days been?
Really good. I have been able to prepare myself for the detox fully.
Ooh. And you're going into a detox of how long?
A month.
A month. So for the people that don't know,
There are many types of detoxes. You can just do like a juice cleanse for like 10 days, just drink juices all day. My detox is basically just 30 days of smoothies, soups, juices, teas, and water combined with 10 different herbs you have to take in daily. Those herbs will actually get the hard metals, like the heavy metals, out of your body.
I haven't eaten this kind of pumpkin in a long time.
Also, we are going to slice up tomatoes. We're gonna put it in a pan. Just cut it like this.
Uh-huh.
And then you cut it like this.
Oh.
Yeah, as you
It's
can
like you're murdering the pumpkin.
Parsley. Also, we are just gonna use this parsley in the soup as well.
Black pepper, it always burns in the oven, you know?
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah.
Nah, we still do it.
Still do it.
A little bit of salt. And then like this, we put it in the oven.
Yeah.
Yay! What?
It's cute.
We can actually...
And now we have a little bit of rest.
You thought so.
We need to do the
Tomato.
pomodori. One
Tomato.
little yellow pepper. I'm gonna just put in the whole thing.
Alright. We can bake it for a little bit. We can also actually put a little bit of salt in there.
Are you gonna put it in the soup?
Yes.
So it doesn't matter if I
doesn't.
cut it or no cut
No,
it?
it doesn't really matter.
All right. That's it. Now we have a little 20-minute break in which I'm going to sleep.
After putting this in the oven for about 40 minutes, 45 maybe, we are going to scoop it out.
We're gonna see who makes the bigger mess. Look. Oh fuck, it's already all soft and squishy. Ah. Ah. Ah.
And for now, I'm gonna put some water, fresh water, in the pan. That's about a liter right there.
A lighter.
And who made a bigger mess?
Definitely me. You know why? Because I'm not experienced doing dumb shit.
And now we put the parsley in. A little bit of lime. Well, we need this one.
Well, but we could turn the heat up.
Oh, no, we can't.
Mr. Ralphie.
Ralph,
Ralphie,
Lauren.
we're gonna use this one.
We're gonna use this.
It's because it's just for a little bit.
Just for the whole time.
It just needs to start cooking.
And also we're going to use some coconut milk.
Yeah, you're gonna already add it?
Yeah. You want to stir?
Yes. I use the petit lepel. But for this pumpkin soup, this looks really great. Up you people can see. No, you cannot see. If you not can see, I like the color of this. So what do we miss? Pepper. Black pepper. I think, un mango danko, très bon chef.
Well, the soup is cooking for now. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dates. We have ourselves some pumpkin seeds.
Oh, we're just gonna snack them.
Roast.
Roast them. Roast them all?
Like that. I think that's enough. I will grind this soup together. Actually,
These are roasted.
I would say a bit more salt.
I'd say you definitely need more of the parsley.
Parsley.
Yeah.
Two more dates. No?
No.
This is the bakery where I got this bread from. It's brewed with DT, and they have the best bread ever. Meantime,
I'm searching
for a bread cutting
for
knife.
a bread cutting knife, a black knife with rebels.
We can also cut it with this, literally.
Ha! Don't know what it is. Oh, this is pumpkin bread?
Yes.
That's crazy.
We have pumpkin bread. Yeah.
Great bread cutting knife that I was searching for half a lifetime.
And then for on.
Show me how you do it. You made this yourself, right?
Yeah. And if you want to see how you make hummus, we'll see that in the next episode. I fucking forgot.
Oh, you forgot the lemon inside the thing.
Inside the soup, we should have put in more lemon, but I'm just going to sprinkle it.
Lègement.
How do you like the bread?
It's really good.
I love their bread.
This is a banger pumpkin soup.
I know it's not as nice as your mom's.
But it's really good. It's something different. I like it.
And my food is
Now
never
she's
the
getting
same.
too coffee. Too cocky. I know now. Ah! Ah! Das ist immer Schwein.
Well,
Another great episode.
we got a gift. Within Instagram, we got a message, and that message was from Made by Mom.
Made by who?
Made by Mom.
Mom.
Mum.
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 And mum.
Mum.
Mama.
Mum.
Mama.
She's the sweetest thing ever.
Mava.
Because she sent for our whole production team, including the two of us. She sent this box.
And what's in the box?
You want to open the box? Well, first open the letter.
This is Dutch. Weird word and meaning one in your knee. Now this says, hopefully you can all enjoy this. Love, Mom.
Like she just makes these awesome vegan. Woo! And this is with 24 carats of gold.
No!
Yup. Ralf, jongen. Ralf, hier komen nu. Mom.
This is
I'm gonna
my.
join you in the middle.
This is Ralph. This is our baby boy.
My child. I'm his father, but not real father. Have you eaten your veggies today?
No.
Oh,
You're not
well,
gonna
first.
Let's taste it.
Am I
Taste
gonna
it.
taste alone?
Yes.
Wow. The sound.
What's inside of this?
Don't put it on the stove. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here.
We should put a link in our description below.
Thank you very much, Mom. I'm really enjoying the pumpkin soup. I like the spice. You know, it has like an aggressive spice. It has an aggressive sweetness. It has nice freshness. I really like it. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, especially if you're not from the Netherlands. We'd really like to know if you're watching the video. DM me, DM Minx. Love to you all. Follow MG Culture. Make sure you work out. Make sure you eat good. Love to you all. Bam, bam, bam. Do I have gold lips now?
A little bit.
Yeah?
Mum, look what I've done. Mum, use this now as a lipstick.
In emergency cases, you can just be yourself. Be awesome. Be fragrance. By Menkel and Dick. We should have a